So what's up, guys, and welcome back. Well, last night or last video, I don't know what you want to call it, we went to Mid-Michigan Mayhem, and obviously it's a diesel truck show, and my truck's not nice enough to show. So I took Matt's shorty dually. I powder coated a whole bunch of parts for him, and I left the window open last night. Oops. But let me show you how all that turned out. If you guys haven't watched previous videos, we did a build vlog on this, and yeah, truck's pretty sweet. But oh yeah, look at all that powder. So he's got a coolant pipe for this that I got to powder coat yet. He's got to get the emblem tack welded on because it's aluminum. I can't do it. He's gonna get a plate for this. Did a battery delete, Steed Speed high mount 2nd gen swap, Borg Warner S464 turbo. Install turned out great. Kind of wish we would have got the block and stuff painted. Phillips Fab 4-inch downpipe to a 5-inch exhaust. 20-inch wheels. I got a bunch of stuff I'm going to powder on this still. During the winter, it's going to get tore down. I'm going to powder coat the lug nuts, the dually adapters, and probably the brakes. We're going to cut a coil and a half out of this winter. We have, what's it called? We got C-notches in the back that we're going to weld in. And probably going to get an exhaust tip or change the exhaust because this comes out at an angle because of the way we had to route it. And from the factory, it's supposed to come out right here. You can see that little indent. Have a roll pan for it. Got to get that painted. Dually. Gonna get a gooseneck hitch because the point of this truck was to be a tow pig, but now it's more of a show truck. But today I'm gonna surprise Matt and put the tow hooks on that I powder coated for him that have been just chilling in here because he's kind of lazy. Not lazy, busy. Busy. So he doesn't know I'm gonna do this. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm currently remembering on how much of a pain in the dick this job is. So let me show you. Your front bolts are a 13mm, and on the back side, up in here, are 15mm. I was able to get one off, but they're a pain in the butt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop the intercooler out. Intercooler is really easy to come out. You have two 10mm bolts on top and 11mm hot and cold side bolts. So let's get those loosened up. But now with that out of the way, it's way easier to get to these back two bolts. So grab our ratchet up here. So all the nuts are backed off. There's one of the bolts. Two of the bolts. There you go. So go ahead and get your nuts started by hand. I haven't mentioned, but I'm trying to rush on this job because Matt doesn't know I'm doing it, and I think we're gonna go on an adventure to look at another truck. Tow number 1 done. Time to start on number 2. Number 2, all loosened up. Drop through the back, and we'll grab the other one. Look at that color. Called Sassy, and I coated it in metallic clear coat. But back to the truck. So I would honestly say it's way easier to put them back on than it is to take them off. So now time to put the intercooler on. Just like that, install is done, looking good. So gonna take Dieselkidds truck back to him and see if he notices. So like, comment, share, subscribe. See you on the next one. What?
No shit! You got it put on? Was it a bitch?
Yes.
Yes.
I'd remove the intercooler.
I told you!